everyone, I am Devi Bamanya, student of class 9th A of Don Bosco Academy, Alirajpur. As we start our Rangoli competition today, let me lead you to prayer. Dear Lord, we praise you and thank you for all the blessings we have received. Let your guidance and protection be upon us. Send your spirit and give us wisdom. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shubhra Srivastav, class teacher of class 9th A. We conducted Rangoli competition for class 9. Let me tell you something about Rangoli. Traditionally, Rangoli is an art of decoration drawn on the floor or entrance of the home. It is thought that to bring the good luck and prosperity on the house or in the family, Rangoli is made, or to welcome the guest, it is made. Some mothers in India do this activity daily. I congratulate all the participants, those who participated in the competition, to show their creativity. All the best. Thank you.
Hello students, I am Pallavi Singh Thakur. Welcome you all. You all gave your best and participate gracefully in Rangoli competition organized by our school. You all show your talent in this competition. You all were too good. It was a tough task for me to select only few of them as they all were beautiful. Now I would like to announce the name of winners who beautiful presented their Rangoli and won first, second and third prize. So, first place goes to Sneha Chauhan and second place goes to Vanshika Alawa and third place goes to Mihika Waghela. Thank you.
My name is Sneha Chauhan. I study in class 9th. I take part in Rangoli competition because Rangoli is a very beautiful art and it is made by very different color. That's why I take part in Rangoli competition.
Hello, my name is Vanshika Alawa. I am in 9th. You all know that Rangoli represents to happiness and positivity. It also intends to the welcome of Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and good luck. The purpose of Rangoli is beyond decoration. Whenever I make it, it always gives me happiness. That's why I love to make Rangoli. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mihika Waghela. I study in class 9B at Don Bosco Academy, Alirajpur. I have participated in Rangoli competition at my school because I love to make Rangoli. It is an art by which I can express my imagination and ideas by creating different patterns on the ground using materials like dry flower, flower petals, colored rice, colored sand, etc. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I stand here to express my gratitude for those who persons have been a part of the activity arranged by Standard 9th A and B. The activity Rangoli making competition arranged by the class teachers. I thanks to class teachers, teacher Shubhra Srivastav and Mr. Amar Matera. They did hard work behind this competition. I thanks to teacher Pallavi. She made time from her busy schedule to judge this competition. I thanks to the students, those who are participated in the competition to make it success one. I also thanks to tech team, teacher Deepali Somani and teacher Nafisa Motorwala. They well cooperated and did hard work to make this competition success. Once again, I thanks for those persons they involved in this competition. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
The future belongs to those who believes in the beauty of their dreams.
So this impressive video of Rangoli competition shows the great work done by the students of class 9.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Thank you so much and stay tuned.